Come on, hound dog. Where we going, huh? What are we doing? Are you my buddy? Over the years, come on, we think we have to R&R, replace, and never rebuild anything. When we rebuild stuff, we restore the legacy of our past. It was my dad's truck, and what I wanted to do was, in a way, keep the memory of my dad. I wanted the truck to look like it was when Dad had it. My son wanted to do it for me, and I'm doing it for my dad. It's the memories and the things that you do together. So to us, it's the little things that really excites our life and everything. Makes us happy. We're happy folks anyway. When you start restoration, you're keeping the past alive. What we had was nothing but waste. Oil field stuff laying out there. It was barren, and it was good for nothing. Somebody was telling us about OERB. I said, if we can get this done, it won't cost us nothing. I said, praise be to God. I had to make the call. And when I made the call, they did exactly what they said they were going to do. And you know what? It didn't cost me a penny. It didn't cost me a penny. There was cement out there, and they dug it all up.
The grass that they had put out there just grew and greened up and the pond filled up, and it was amazing. We just couldn't believe how wonderful it was.
I've been blessed. It's real usable again. I think that's what restoration's about. Taking something that's like the old pickup, taking it and bringing it back and giving it life.
Right.
They can take something that really wasn't worth a whole lot. Something that you thought that never could be in our lifetime, brought back to life. Well, we can sit and enjoy it. Enjoyable to
us and our kids.
Our kids and our grandkids and our great-grandkids. That's something that's really been a big blessing to us.